Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this red and pink eye makeup look using the 25L palette by Morphe. This time I wanted to do something with the red eyeshadows and I hope that you like the eye look that I have done. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see some other eye makeup looks with colors or not. Let the blending begin. So I want to start with this matte red eyeshadow. It is so gorgeous. It is called Life, and with an angled crease brush by Essence, I'm pressing the eyeshadow in the outer crease. If you have hooded eyes like me, don't forget to look down into your mirror so you can see this area here that is folding. With the same brush, I'm starting blending the edges, and I will try to keep the color only in the outer part of my eyes. I want this color to be more noticeable, so I'm using a second layer. Tilt your head back to blend the edges better. After that, I want to continue with eyeshadow Sexuality, this hot pink matte eyeshadow. I'm taking the product with the same brush and I'm blending the edges of the red eyeshadow. I'm going to change the brush and I'm taking the Zoeva 225 brush. I don't have any product on the bristles, I'm just blending the edges. I'm taking some more of the hot pink eyeshadow and I'm blending the edges. I continue blending all the colors together without any product on my brush. I'm also blending on the eyelid. I'm going to continue with eyeshadow Heart. This one is like a muted light pink eyeshadow with a matte finish. With this eyeshadow, I'm going over the edges of the hot pink eyeshadow. I want to lighten up the inner part of my eyes, so I'm going to take eyeshadow Milk. This one here is a matte eyeshadow with a white color. I'm using the same brush. And this creates an ombre effect of pink colors. On my eyelid I want to use something shimmery, so I'm taking eyeshadow Stonewall. This one is better to use it with your fingertips because it has a creamy consistency. And this one has a light champagne color with some very fine gold micro glitter. For the inner corner I'm going to use a sponge tip applicator. With a small smudging brush by Essence, I'm taking again the red eyeshadow and I'm placing that on the outer part of my lower lash line. Also a little bit on the outer eyelid. I'm applying a second layer. With the same brush, I'm taking this light pink eyeshadow again. I'm placing that in the inner lower lash line, and with this one I'm also going over the edges of the red eyeshadow. With a sponge tip applicator, I'm using the eyeshadow Stonewall in the inner part of my lower lash line. I'm using just a little bit of the hot pink eyeshadow in the outer crease. In the waterline, I'm using a nude eye pencil by Tommy G Cosmetics. I have applied lashes, mascara and eyeliner. All the products are listed in the description box below. And on my lips I want to use this Dewyful Lips Conditioning Lip Butter by Catrice Cosmetics. And I have the shade Let's Do This. You can watch here another eye look with this palette. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!